In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a DocuSign envelope to just one person. DocuSign is a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and knowing how to efficiently manage your envelopes can save you a lot of time and effort. Whether you need to correct an oversight or resend a document for signature, following these straightforward steps will help you accomplish this task seamlessly. First, we'll start by going over to the official DocuSign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL docusign.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so ensure you have your username and password at the ready. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to all of your documents and tools within your DocuSign account. After logging in, navigate to the DocuSign homepage. This is where you'll find your dashboard displaying all the options available to you. Here you'll want to click on the Agreements section. This section houses all your existing envelopes and agreements, making it the perfect place to start when you need to resend an envelope. Upon entering the Agreements section, you'll notice a list of all your documents. To proceed, find the specific envelope you wish to resend. Next to each envelope, there's a three-dot icon, sometimes referred to as an ellipsis. Click on this icon for the envelope you're targeting. This will open a menu with various options related to the document you've selected. From the list of options, find and choose the correct option. Selecting correct brings you to a new screen, which shows all the details of your envelope. Most importantly, it lists the recipients associated with it. This is the point where you can make any necessary adjustments to ensure the correct person receives the document. After ensuring everything looks good, you're ready to complete the process. Scroll through the options and settings to verify recipient details, and once satisfied, confirm your changes or corrections. This sends your document back into the chain of communication, ensuring the intended recipient gets the updated version. These straightforward steps outline how you can quickly and efficiently resend a DocuSign envelope to just one person, easing your document management process. Thanks to these tools, you can keep your business operations running smoothly and error-free. Follow these instructions anytime you find yourself needing to correct or resend documents via DocuSign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to check out more of our content for additional insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.